Meaning of hemoglobin.
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 Hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a protein in our red blood cells that carries oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body. It is made up of 4 subunits, each containing a heme group that binds to oxygen. This complex mechanism allows for efficient transportation of oxygen to tissues and organs. The level of hemoglobin in our blood is an important indicator of health, as low levels may lead to anemia, while high levels may indicate underlying conditions such as lung or heart disease. Overall, hemoglobin plays a vital role in maintaining oxygen balance in the body.